When creating stateful components with ES6, the syntax is very similar to create class, but there are a few things to look out for. I want to refactor this as an ES6 class, and then I will point out differences along the way. So the first thing we want to do is import component from React, and then we will remove the create class and instead use class app extends component. Now we can get rid of our parentheses here and just use the braces. I'll also remove the closing parenthesis off of line 49. We also need to remove the commas from between our methods, so I'll get rid of the one on 34 as well as the one on 29. There's a different method that we need to add to our class component here on line 6, and it's called constructor. So constructor is going to be responsible for taking in props. We're going to call our superclass, and we're going to add some new state data to our class. So instead of using getInitialState, we're actually going to use this.state, and we're going to set this equal to an object that contains our initial state. So we can grab everything from line 14 all the way down to line 33 here, where we have the closing square bracket. And I'm going to just cut this and paste it into our state object. So all ski days is still going to be our initial state, but since we're handling it via ES6 classes, we can get rid of our getInitialState method. Cool. So let's give that a save, and we're going to take a look at it in the browser. And we should see that everything is rendering appropriately. We have our days being rendered, and everything is happening as we expect it to be. Now we do have two components living in this window. We probably want some sort of mechanism for going back and forth between our list of days and our count summary. There are many different ways of handling navigation in React, but the React router is one of the more popular methods. So in the next videos, we're going to be looking at how to display different screens using the React router.